Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to another eClass tutorial, eClass 101. So for this tutorial, I'll teach you how to group your students according to sections, according to their section. Okay. From the list provided by the registrar's office, just look up in the list. Okay, so to start, let's let's go here, settings. This is where we set things, and then click more. This time we go to users. Okay, then we'll click groups. Okay, so right now I already have the following groups. Okay, let me delete this one. Delete. Yeah, that's how you delete a group. Yes. Okay, so these are the groups I made with the students in the group. So let's say, for example, let's take the name Amira Abdul Karim. I will remove her first from the group. Okay, so I will remove Amira from the group, Amira Abdul Karim. Okay. So let's say Amira Abdul Karim is not yet in the group and she is supposed to be in this group. So what I'll do is, it's either I will type the name Amira, or I can type the name, the family name Abdul Karim. Yan. Select the name and then add. So by the way, the search result here, this one will search the group. This one will search the available students enrolled, okay, the enrolled students in your class dito. Now if you type a name, let's try to type Amira again. So this time Amira Abdul Karim will no longer appear here because she is currently part of a group. So Amira Alok is not part yet of a group, so I'm not sure which group she belongs to. Selected users membership, oh, she belongs to Ogilvy. Okay, so she's already in a group, so Ogilvy. Okay, so this is how you add, remove. This is how you create a group, add a member to the group, or remove a member from the group. Okay, so let's go back to the group page. So just click here, group. So I hope you learned something today. Creating a group, adding a participant in a group, and removing a participant from the group. So yeah, that's all. Enjoy eClass.